First of all, it's very, very rigorous. Second of all, to put into practice what they teach, let me tell you, that is a big challenge. And we are really learning from the world-class companies out there. And, Harvard is really famous for their Harvard Business Review based on case studies. Most of the traditional universities or the traditional journals are very, very academic. You read it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, you don't understand what are they talking about. But this is the part where Harvard stands out, all right? So in the second year, it's really to build together what it takes, the team. And then the third year, which we're coming up very soon, next year for me, around March, I'll graduate from the program. That's where we have a very path to achieving our game plan for spiking. Of course, every time I meet up with you guys over Cozy Live Trading, I'll share a little bit more and more. I don't want to shock you all yet, but we're going to go to a level where you will become uncomfortable